bad. They're trying to dilute the imamat. That's what they've been doing. Look, you go to Pakistan, you go to all these countries. Imam is a normal word for these people. Even if you go in a Sunni mosque, they call the Maulana or somebody that's reciting they call him Imam. You go to people in the graveyards, they call them Imam. Baba Imam, it's like that, isn't it? All these areas, they try to dilute the word of Imam because the Imam word for us is sacred. What Imam is. Right? They are our imams for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They've come to us to present us for what all the prophets have done. So this is the thing, for this guy to create his base, he's taking it even further away. That he's creating a whole new Islam, a whole new religion, and he's diluting, he's annihilating it, he's destroying it. And he's going to destroy it really, really bad. But I don't know, I'm sorry to say this, our own people, they don't understand until their own, like I said, their own son or their daughter or their partner does not leave them. These people are not going to realize. And it's already too late. It's already too late.
बीबी मुनशा जी, जो मुझे ईमान से बताएं कि अभी तक लोग पता क्या कह रहे हैं, वो भाई उलमा की कोई हिकमत है जिसकी वजह से नहीं बोल रहे। आप सारी शीयत को जाने दो उनके हाथ में। क्या ख्याल है?
ये हिकमत कितनी हिकमत है, कैसी हिकमत है आगा के हम पाँव पे खुद को लाड़ी मार रहे हैं।
ये उनको समझा रहे हैं जो उलमा के गर्विदा है ना, जो उनके इश्क में इतने डूब चुके हैं, उनकी हर गलत बात को भी सही कह रहे हैं, उनको पैगाम दे रहे हैं, फिर शीयत सारी तबाह होने दो। हिकमत इसी में है।
Yeah, but this is the thing, Sayyid. Right, Baba Imam, can you imagine one of their person who speaks Urdu from this Abdullah Hashim's group goes and speaks to one of our ulama. Our ulama does not have even knowledge about these people. They don't even know what their belief is. They will destroy them.
I'm
sorry to say this, but they will. This is why I wanted to speak to our ulama and to the Maulanas and explain to them, these are these people. You need to get knowledgeable so you understand, and you need to explain to the community, especially the kids, that how dangerous these people are. Our ulama do not even know about these people. And if they know about it, they're not even interested.
ऐसे ही है, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं।
इनका इंटरेस्ट सारी अपनी जेब भरने में है और अपनी आप को दोजख में जोक देने का है, बस इतना ही। इससे ज्यादा इनके पास और कुछ भी नहीं है जो मुझको समझ आया अभी तक।
Look at this, sister. It's very, very simple. A whole Sayyid family left Shia Islam and moved in with these guys. If that is not a wake-up call, I don't know what else is. Forget about his disgusting things.
मुनशा जी उस बंदे का बताएं कि जो मुनाजरे करता था। एक मिनट सिस्टर, मुनशा जी उस लड़के का क्या नाम है जो मुनाजरे करता था अहले सुन्नत के साथ, बाद में वो भी यहाँ पर इनके पास चला गया, क्या नाम है उसका?
I forgot his name now.
यार जो पार्क के अंदर इनके साथ मुनाजरे करता
था। The name's gone off my head.
सर वो यूके वाला सर जी।
जी यूके वाला।
Yeah, he's from you.
वो इनके चैनल पे बैठ के अब तबलीग कर रहा होता है इनकी।
हाँ
आगे हिसाब लगा ले वो बंदा।
So you're saying whoever joins them, they have to go and stay with them?
No. So, for example, if you're in the UK or if you're in these poor countries, what they say is, if you sell your properties, give us all the money, and then you can come and live in the orphanage. But what he's doing is he's taking all that money and then he's making them work like slaves. That's what he's doing.
So they are all under the spells. Oh
yes,
my
he
God.
takes their blood. Sorry, I haven't told you the inside things yet. He takes their blood. You tell me, we've been living in England all our life, yeah? If we go to a synagogue, we go to a church, will they ask for our blood? No.
No.
If we go to a mosque, they're going to ask for blood. No. Why does he need that blood? It's a question mark. The reason is, remember, satanic, what did I say to you? Satanic rituals. Yeah. They use the blood, they do black magic, they do all sorts of disgusting things. makes people sign an NDA. Do you know what NDA is? Non-disclosure agreement. He makes them sign. You tell me, when we go to the Imam Barga, we go to the mosque, or we go to a church or synagogue, do they make us sign an NDA?
No.
Exactly. So why does he need to sign that? So you look from the outset, it's dodgy straight away without a question. This guy is not stupid. He's a very clever guy. This guy started actually exposing cults himself in America. And then because he's learnt all the trick of the trades, then he's thought, you know what, let me create my own religion. So he learned about Ahmad al-Hassan. He learned that what he was doing. So then he's made him his first Mahdi, and he's become the second Mahdi himself. He says that, I'm the follower of Ahmad al-Hassan.
यही होना है कि फिर हमारे साथ किसी ने भी नहीं खड़ा होना, ये पक्की बात है।
आगा मैं तो कहीं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ, मैं तो इधर ही हूँ। और जो
खड़े
मेरे
होंगे,
साथ
क्यों नहीं खड़े
आगे
होंगे?
नहीं चलेंगे, मैं इन लोगों की बैंड बजाऊंगी,
सैयद
मैं
आपके
इनको
साथ
घसीट के भी लाऊंगी आगे।
सैयद हमारा अकीदा यह है कि यहाँ हम आपके साथ तो नहीं खड़े, आपका कौन सा कोई जाती मौकफ है या आपका कौन सा कोई जाती मौकफ है? आपका मिशन
हम
है इमाम
यहाँ पे
मजहब
इमाम
बनाना।
के लिए खड़े, हम
हाँ,
अपने ईमान के लिए खड़े हैं।
बेशक
तो
बेशक
तो
बेशक
जो
बेशक
आपके साथ खड़ा है वो अपने इमाम के साथ खड़ा है। इससे ज्यादा मसला और क्या है? खुदा की कसम, ये ईशा की नमाज होने वाली है वो भी नहीं है, वो भी बाद की बात है। इमाम है तो नमाज है, पूरा दिन इसके ऊपर खड़ा हुआ है। तो हम जो है वो आपके साथ हैं, और हर मामले में सही, हर मामले में हम आपके साथ हैं। और इसी
आगा
तरह से
जो हक का रास्ता है वो आसान नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह कहीं डगमगाएंगे नहीं अल्लाह के हुक्म से।
One
अल्लाह
second,
कायम
sisters.
रखे हम सबको
Somebody
बस।
said, why didn't you contact Manik Shwani? I'm telling my personal thing. Sayyid Ali Imam even contacted him, spoke to him. He informed him about it. We never got response. He came to one of our Imam Bargas in Leeds. I especially went there. He knew I was sat there. He wasn't even contacting his eyes with me. So what I did was, my little cousin, I told him, I said, Asnan, go speak to Amanak Shwani and say to him, what do you think about these beanie guys? And are you going to speak about them? I sent my little cousin, he's only 8-9 years old, and he's mashallah very clever. He knows more about these beanie guys than our ulama do, because he sits with me when we used to do the lives, yeah? And he went and asked him, Amanak Shwani turned around and said, this is not for me, and when it's an issue, we will deal with it. So what does that tell you?
Okay, I got one more question, brothers. ये वही मकाम नहीं है, क्योंकि जब इन्होंने अपने 12 मेंशन किए हैं तो ये वही मकाम नहीं है कि हमको पहले से बता दिया गया है कि 12 दज्जाल आएंगे, उसके बाद आखिरी आएगा ना वो इब्लीस का बच्चा, ठीक है? ये आएंगे पहले, ये अपने आप को मनवाएंगे, मतलब ये वाला अभी लास्ट नहीं है, इसके बाद आखिरी है। तो इसके ऊपर जो बातें की गई थी आज से 1400 साल पहले, वो हकीकत है कि ये आके ऐसा फितना जन्म देगा, पैदा करेगा, जिससे ईमान को बचाना बहुत मुश्किल होगा। सो
No,
ये
sister, this guy's already made his 12 Mahdis. He's already done it. Whilst he was in there, they've already apostated. Number 3's apostated. Hani Shakar's apostated. The 12th Mahdi of theirs is a child, a legitimate child, which is between one of their Mahdis sleeping with somebody else's wife. That child that was born, he's their 12th Mahdi, astaghfirullah, for them. He's already said this.
सो यू आर सेइंग कि दज्जाल की पैदाइश हो चुकी है।
Remember, Dajjal is a system. It's not going to be a person. It's a system that's going to be against of time. That Dajjal system's been running for a very, very long time, and it's in
Yes,
existence.
I agree on that. But
Yeah.
the
So it's
12th Dajjal is this one, basically.
No, the Jal is a system, not the 12. Their 12 Mahdi, what they're talking about. Their 12 Mahdi's already been born, who astaghfirullah was born from not his real father. So that's what they're saying. This Abdullah Hashim, astaghfirullah.
La hawla wala quwwata. These bastards are annoying now. Wallahi, I wish with them and